Hello, Joseph. Welcome to Filo and good morning.
Hey, good morning.
If my voice is audible to you.
Yeah,
Okay, great. So, as I can see, you have posted a question over here. So, may I know what help you need from my side? Would you like to have the solution for this part, or would you like to understand the concept? The concept in the sense
well,
how to do it.
yeah, I would like to have the solution.
Okay. Okay. So you want the solution. Okay. Thanks for the confirmation. Please allow me a moment to go through it. So here's a Venn diagram showing the sets B and C as well as the universal set U. Okay, so from the sets below, we have to give the answer in the rows of form. Okay, so the question belongs to the set. So first of all, let's write the elements that are there in each of the set. So in the set B, we can see there are two elements, right? That is G and Q. Same way in set R, we have the only element. It's a single element that's called R. And in the universal set, do you know what a universal set, Joseph? Basically, universal set means all the elements that are there over here. G, comma, Q, comma, R. So these are the elements of your set U. So regarding the first one, they have asked the elements which are not there in B. And since we have to write it in the roster form, so we have to keep it into this curly bracket. So
Oh,
okay, so Joseph will here if you have any doubt related to what how I have written these three different sets B, C, and U, you can ask me that.
okay.
So okay, so shall we move further then?
Yes.
Okay, so the elements which are not there in B. So as we can see,
All,
apart from G and Q, all the elements that are there are not in B. So
all
we can write this.
F, H, P, X.
Yes, that's good. So you know the answer.
Mm,
That's good. Okay, shall we move to the B part?
yeah.
In the B part, they have asked B intersection C. Now, do you know what are intersections?
Yes. All the element that is in A, that is in B, and that is in C.
Yeah, all the elements which are there in B and C both. So, what are the elements which are there?
G, only O.
No, actually, intersection means the elements which are common in both of them. So, if you see that two sets, they don't have anything in common. So, in that case, this is called as a null set. So, we represent it by this. We write it as phi. This is also called a null set, means a set having no element into it. Okay.
Okay.
Shall we solve the third part as well, the C part? So let's try to do it together. So what are the elements on the B? Elements which are not there in B, we have already written them over here, right?
Yes.
So let's write it again. R, comma F, comma H. I'm sorry for the writing. I'm not good at it. Hopefully you can read the things. The writing is readable. And then we have to find the elements which are not there in C. So what are the elements which are not there in C? Can you come up with the elements?
That's not in C. Let's see.
Yeah.
Is it? That's not in C. G, Q,
Yeah, elements which, yeah. Okay, great.
F, H,
Any more?
F, H, P,
Yeah. Yes. P and X. Now in the third part, if you see, they have asked the intersection of the elements which are not there in B and C. So now since we have already written the elements which are not there in B and C, we have got that. So I guess we have derived to the solution. So B prime C. What would be the answer? I believe you can do it since
so
it seems like you are very well aware of the chapter.
so is it the is it none of
The elements which are there in both of them.
Oh, so
We have
R F H B X G Q F H P. No.
the elements which are there in both of them. I'm
Oh,
repeating.
okay.
It's
Uh,
a intersection.
so
When you have
is
to take everything, that is called as a union. We represent it by a U.
so
Okay,
is it
this is
H
inward.
H F?
Okay, H is there.
You said F
Good.
too. F is there, so
Yes, F is there.
E
Okay. Your F is there. Your H is there.
and P
Okay. Of course, P is there.
and X.
Any other element you can see
I could
if
see
it is there.
X.
A- X is there.
Or is that X?
Yes. That's why I said no, my writing is not that good. Okay, anyways, so this is the answer for your C part. So hopefully till here all the answers, the explanation part is understood well by you.
Yes, I
Do
got
you
more.
have any doubt? You can ask me till here.
Yes, I got more questions.
Okay, great. Can you please post that in the chat box? And yeah, since I believe you are using this app for the first time, right?
Yes. So for B,
Okay,
what is the answer for B?
this is the answer.
Because
This.
when I put it on my thing, it says it's incorrect.
No, it is null set. This is called as phi.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Doesn't okay. One last question.
So do you have more, like, till here we are good, right? Till here you have understood all the things.
Yes, I have one last.
Okay.
I have two more questions. Let me show you.
Okay, it's getting loaded over here. Um, Allow me to post it over here. Okay, so the question has come. This is the question. So again, it's a set. So this time what we'll do, first of all, let's quickly list out the elements that each of the set has, right? And then this time, I believe like you take a guess for each of them, give a try, I'll help you out with it, right? Wherever you go wrong, I'll help you out with that. Wherever you have a doubt or something, I'll help you out with that. So the elements in B are F, X, Z, G, and P. Okay. These are the elements in set B. For your set D, we have the element as G, comma P, comma R. Okay. And the final, the universal set has H, comma Q, comma Y, comma F, comma X, comma Z, yes, comma G, comma P, comma R. Okay, so we have these three sets. So, okay. So, will you give a try for the first one? B intersection of D. And we have to put the answer in the roster form. So, we'll write it as it is. And Joseph,
Uh,
can you come up?
and says
B,
let's see.
B intersection C. That means,
So
yeah,
G,
the elements which
G,
are there in both of
G, and
them.
P.
G will be there, of course.
G and P. That's it.
It, yes, perfect. Okay, let's move to the B part. Elements which are not there in B.
Element that's not in. Oh,
Yes,
so
what are
G,
those elements?
that's not in B. Is it?
Yes, G is
Okay.
there. If you see over here, this is a
Yes.
common.
G, P.
So G is there. No, G will not be there. See, B prime means elements which are not in set B.
Oh,
So
so
G and
R,
P is there.
so R,
R, good.
H, Q, Y.
R, H, comma, Q, Y. Yes, that's 100% correct. The last part. C. Now in C1, in the C part, C we have to do two things. First, we have to find B union D, right? So the first part is B union D. What will be that? And then we'll find the elements which are not there in both of them. So, what are the elements of B union D?
B union to F, Z,
Okay,
G, P,
G,
N, R. Well,
N. Where is N? There's no such
N.
N over here. Sorry?
Oh, so it's
F,
G,
G,
F,
P,
Q,
F,
oh,
G, P,
R,
R, F, G, P, R, and X,
uh,
and
Z,
I believe Z.
Z.
The elements, the elements, Z. The elements which are there in both the both the sets, but it should not get repeated. So
uh,
F, G, P, R, X, and Z. G and P are again getting repeated, so we'll not write that. So now can we write B union? So now we have got B union D, right? So now it's easier to write the elements which are not there in this. So as we have done till now, take a guess for that as well. So what would be the elements which are there, which are not there in the set of containing the elements B union D? What are those elements?
B union D. So F, no, F is the X, Z, G, P, R. I mean G, is it R?
No, R is already there. Na? We have to find the elements which are not over here, which are not there
Oh,
in.
okay.
Yes,
Let's see.
yes. What are the
Uh,
elements?
let me see. H,
Yes,
uh, Q,
yes.
Y,
Yes, basically the elements which are not there in this one is H,
yes.
Q, and Y. Okay.
Okay.
So hopefully you've got the answer for all the three parts, and
Let me.
the explanation part is also understood by you well. Do you have any doubt till here? You can ask me that. If in case, is there any? So do you have any doubt till here that I need to re-explain any part of the solution that I need to explain? I can do that if needed.
Yes, just yeah,
No?
two more questions. Yeah, no, two more questions. No, I have no. I understand that. I got two more questions, and that's it.
Okay, great. So please share it in the chat box.
Mm.
Okay, I believe the question has loaded. Yes. Okay. So again, a question from the set. Okay. So again, a Venn diagram, and again we have to find the same stuff. So Joseph, will you give a try to let me know what are the elements in C, D, and universal set U?
Okay. Yes.
What are the elements in set C?
3, 8, 4, 6. Is it?
Yes, 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 yes. Because the entire set D is there within C only.
Yes.
Okay. Same way, the elements of set D.
4, 6.
Yes, 4 and 6. Since you have to write them in the roster form, so you have to write the numbers. Each after every element, we have to put a comma. Remember that.
Okay.
And what about the elements of universal element U?
1, 2, 5, 7.
1, 2, 5, 7, 3, 4,
Oh,
6, and 8.
and that's it.
Any other element over here? I guess
No.
these are the ones, right? One,
Yeah,
two,
it's
three,
all
four,
me.
five, six, seven, eight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Okay. Shall we start with the first one? As usual, please
Yes.
continue with the answers. Elements which are not there in set D.
3, 2, 5, 7, 3, 8.
Yeah.
3, 8.
3, 8. Yes. Order actually, if you put it in order, it looks good. That's it. Else you can write it in any way possible. Okay. For B part, C union D. What would be the answer?
Union. Union.
C
That's
union D.
universal. So that will
No,
be
union.
one,
Not a
two.
union. Union means the elements which are there in both of them. Not
So
common, which
one,
are in,
3, 8, 4, 6.
yes. 3, 8, 4, 6. Perfect. Last part, C. C prime intersection D prime. So first of all, find the elements which are not there in C. And what are
That's
they?
not it.
Yeah, the one,
1, 2, 1, 2, 5, 7, 4, 6.
1, 2, 5, 7.
Would you say 4, 6?
No,
Okay,
because 4 and 6 are already there in C only, no?
do that.
Because
Yes,
D is a subset, right? D is a subset
yes,
of C. So we
yes.
can't have that. Okay, what are the elements which are not there in D like that?
That's not it. 3, 8. I mean 1, 2, 5, 7, 3, 8.
3, 8, 1,
One,
2,
two,
5,
five, 7.
7. Okay, just a second, let me cross check. Elements which are not there in C are 1, 2, 5, 7, correct. Elements which are in D. 1, 2, 5, 7, 3, 8. Yeah, perfect. So we have got both the values. Now, intersection. The elements which are common in these two.
Okay.
Yes. Let me
One,
know.
one, one,
Okay.
two, five,
Tutor.
seven. One, two,
Yes.
five, seven.
That's really great, Joseph. I believe I just helped you out with the first part. I mean, after that, all the parts are done by you only. That's really great.
Yeah.
So I believe we have one more question good to go for.
Oh, I did it. Thank you so much. I did it.
Okay, great.
I know how to
Okay,
do it.
great.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so Joseph, since you're new to this app, I would like to tell you a bit good features about this app that will help you in using this app a bit more efficiently. So you don't need to write anything while we are doing a question over here because whatever things that are written on this board, I'll be sharing that working with you once the session ends. And you can
Okay.
access that working as well as this recording through the app.
Man.
After the
Thank
session,
you so
you will
much.
have, yeah, please, like after the session, you'll have option to rate the session from 1 star to 5 star, where 1 star means
Okay.
bad and 5 star means good. And you also can mark me as
Okay.
your favorite tutor in case if you want to connect with me in
Yes.
future for any math related help. Okay?
Yes, you perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, Joseph. No, it was really nice to meet the students like you who are really involving in the question. They get involved in the question, they do it by their. It really encourages
Yes.
us.
Thank you
So
so
it was
much.
really
Really
nice
appreciate it.
meeting you, Joseph. And thank you
Yes.
for contacting Philo. And have a great day ahead. Hope to see you soon
You
again. Right?
yes, you too. Yes, you will see me. Thank you so much.
Okay. Okay. Bye. Please
Have
end
a
the
good
session
day.
from your end. Yeah. Same.
Okay.
Same there. Same there. Okay. Bye.